There it goes. Jesus. It ain't coming my way, is it? Holy mackerel.
This storm was located near Tornadogt and moving east at 35 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Tornadogt by 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, bringing hills by 12:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. If a tornado is spotted, a sturdy structure. Basement doors must be secured to building. A tornado p.m. Central Daylight Time Friday afternoon, Central Tennessee. A tornado watch also remains in effect for Central Daylight Chance of rain 70%. Monday night, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers. Lows in the upper 40s. Chance of rain 50%. Tuesday, partly sunny. A slight chance of showers in the morning. Highs in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 20%. Tuesday night and Wednesday, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-40s. Highs in the upper 60s. Wednesday night, partly cloudy.